Hi Lorraine, this is just an update on adding new companies which we was doing the other day from the sheet which we've got uploaded to G Drive. I've shared it with Marina and she's doing a task for us, so I'll just show you what we're doing at the moment. Make sure that we're logged in only to the Trobs1966 at Gmail account and no others. First thing to do would be to click on this icon here, and then we're going to go to our Google Drive. In Google Drive we've got the sheet here. Now at the moment, let me just open it up. At the moment, Marina's actually updating it daily, and what Marina's doing, one second, can I actually edit this? One second, just loading up. Okay. So what I've asked Marina to do is check for companies that have got mobile numbers and add the mobile numbers. Now if you remember, the companies you've added are the ones in pink, and that's because we can add them because they're in pink. Now what you'll realise is there's a lot of companies now that are highlighted in red. I've asked Marina to do a search on Google, see if she can find mobile numbers, and if she can't, basically put the companies in red so we know that we can't find the mobile number for them. Now if you just scroll across to this side, we've got a number of companies now that's got mobile numbers. These are the mobile numbers Marina's found. So what you really want to be doing is I wouldn't really bother with any of the screening companies at the moment. Just carry on adding the rendering companies. So anything that's got rendering, add to them companies and make them account and use this mobile number. For some reason, the mobile number hasn't got a 0 on it. When you save it in Excel, it removes it. So you just have to make sure you add the 0 onto the number. The other thing what I would suggest as well is, now we know this company does rendering, but what we'll do before we do anything else and we add them is go to the company page itself and just check if they do screeding or screeding, rendering or plastering. We know that they do plastering. So we know we must have found them for rendering. We've got them for plastering, and actually it says screeding. So one of the ways to normally find this out is just click on the services, and it'll tell you what to do here, which is basically standard. Now I think what we should do before we start adding them to the database is, for the next couple of days, just do that what I've just done there. And then here we're going to click on that to edit it, put also dash screed SC and dash plastering. And the reason we do that is when you're going to create the profile in a minute, when you create the profile you'll make sure that you've checked them for screeding and plastering too. And basically I'll just quickly run through and make a video in a minute how we're going to add them. I know you've already done it once already, but there's a bit of a change now. So just make sure that's the main thing really, is we just make sure that we're going to add everything they do, because otherwise we'll be adding them again in the future